Hey, I'm Chad, and I want to show you a feature of virtualkeypad.com. Let's get started. Schedules and profiles work together to let you customize how and when you give access to your system. Once you connect to your system, you'll see the system overview page. In the side menu, click on Schedules. Let's start with area settings. In here, you can choose which areas will automatically arm or disarm with schedules. And if you want to be reminded when your system is not armed when it should be, turn on closing check. Let's save those settings. Let's view our arming schedule. As you can see, our arming schedule disarms the system at 7:30 a.m. on weekdays and then arms the system at 6 p.m. Let's add the office area to make sure that it gets disarmed and armed at the given times. Down here, you can add favorites to your schedule as well. If you'd like to add a door that can be unlocked at the begin time and then locked at the end time, just include it down here. Let's hit save, and now we've edited the arming schedule. Let's say you've hired a new custodian and you want to give them access to your system, but only at certain points of the week. Let's create a new schedule for our custodian. Click the plus button at the top. Let's start by giving it a name. Let's call it Custodian. Let's give them access on weekdays from 8 p.m. to 10 p.m. Great, we don't have to configure anything else. We'll take care of the rest on the Profiles section. Hit Save. Profiles let you customize the permissions a user has on your system. Let's create a new profile for our custodian. Now let's jump over to Profiles. Let's click the plus button at the top of the Profiles page. Let's give it a name. Next, let's go down to the Areas section and give them the ability to arm and disarm all areas on the system. Next, we want to give them access to all areas on the system. Then we'll give them the schedule that we just created. If you scroll down, you'll see a bunch of profile options. We need to give them the ability to arm, disarm, and then access doors. If you're ever confused about one of these options, just click on the eye and it'll give you a nice helpful tip on what that does. Now we're done. Let's save this profile. And that's how you create a schedule and a profile on virtualkeypad.com.